Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you have returned to see what is new here. Of course, it's MJ and I've got some exciting news. Check it out. Exciting news, check it out. Oh my gosh, I can't even lift it. I have some happy mail to go through. So this is going to be the last unboxing that I do before the brand new catalog begins, and that starts in just a matter of weeks. It starts on March 1st. So I wanted to share with you some of the goodies that I have in this order, and also let you know that I am in the process of setting up an awesome farewell to 2020. So there are going to be some products and patterns that will be retiring or going into the Thirtyone vault, as we usually have, to make room for everything that's coming new. So I am formally inviting all of you to join me this coming up week. It's going to be right on Facebook, and I'll drop the information on how to get to that party in the description for this particular video. You're not going to want to miss it. There are some really good products that we're saying goodbye to. Who knows, maybe forever, maybe just for a little while, but they're going away, and I want to make sure you take advantage of that. So I'm gonna be doing that with two of my gal pals, Kathy and Jennifer, so you definitely will not wanna miss it. We're gonna give away some happy mail and prizes in between that party as well. So that's news number one. So let's go ahead and get to opening this box. I have my trusty box cutter here. I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. Let's see here. It is the weekend. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic weekend. And let's see what we've got. All right. So first up, I'm gonna probably put it in the text whether this is one of the items that's retiring or not. We have a Your Way rectangle. I absolutely love these guys. We have them all around the house. They store video games. We store different clothing in ours. They're so functional. They really dress up any area that you're trying to organize. So imagine your pantry or your linen closet or your closet, look at that. So this pattern is super fun. It's always great to have the window here. I actually have, if you've seen my previous videos, I have my Thirtyone t-shirts, I have LuLaRoe clothing in one. So they're really, really functional. I love that we can use them all over. So that is one of the items that I got. I'm sure I'm not gonna be able to put this back in the bag, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it off to the side here. So that's item number one. We actually got a couple of these, so I think I ordered two of them. There's the second one. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, you guys, this is a must-have if you haven't seen this one. This is a Get Creative round pouch. I'll be sure to put it in the comments or in the text if we still have these available. These are genius. Everybody should have one of these in their bags, or if you're traveling in your backpack. They are really good to put your chargers, any of your small items, hand sanitizer, your masks. There's so many different ways to use it. You know, chapstick, really any small item that you can think of that's in your bag can go in here. It is completely plastic all around. It's actually got this paper in here. So look at that, you'll be able to see exactly what you have in there for easy access. It's a great size, and it's good for you, for your hubbies, your significant others, for your kiddos. Love it. So this is another one that we got from here. Next up, this is the Get Creative sleeve. Oh gosh, and I can't even remember why Gavin wanted this, but I think it was for different documents maybe, like especially now that it's tax time, this would be a good one. Or if you're traveling and you have, you know, something that's flat that you want to travel with. Again, it is completely clear so you can see what is in here at all times, yet it's very flexible, floppy. You can always personalize it. So this is a good one to have. So I love that we got some items that we haven't had before and some that are definitely needed in this house. As usually, we have our order slip, and this one actually came with a catalog as well. So that is the catalog we'll be saying goodbye to. This is a fun one. So you guys, if you know me, you know that I love our pillows. I have many of them around the house. Well, I wanted to have our munchkin have one of his own. And I think this may be backwards in the video, but it does say gamer. And it says confident, dedicated, competitive, victorious. How fun is this? So I'm gonna put this on his bed. He is gonna love it. I felt like his bed needed a little something, and this is the perfect addition for it. So that's that item. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, you guys, one can never have enough 31 utility totes. So this is one that caught my eye because of the pattern, and I absolutely loved it. I want to say this is one of the Hostess exclusives right now, or Insider exclusives rather. And I actually personalized it with 31. Look how beautiful that looks. So the color is, let's see here. It's a vintage slate, and I did the font in caramel. Love it. So this will be really fun. I can use this upstairs in my office. I can put it in my car. You guys, I probably have minimum like 10, 15 of these running around the house. Everybody should have one. They're amazing. They can hold up to 50 pounds. So if you are still going to the grocery store instead of ordering your groceries to come in the house, that's a great option, especially if you're going to Costco or Sam's or any of those types of places. All right. The other one that I wanted to show you, so this is a photo fob. These are so adorable. I love being able to put these as keychains. You can also hang these from your purses or from your backpack. So let me bring this up close. This is one of my favorite pictures of us. This is from our trip to Nashville. And I love the way it came out. It's so cute to have little memories like this, and the shape of it, super adorable. They are durable. So I know my mom's had hers for quite some time. I also have one of Chloe in my keychain currently. Love these. These make great gifts. I know one of my girlfriends recently shared. She had made one for a friend of hers, of her and her puppy. And actually that puppy had passed away, and it was just so perfect because the person she gave it to loved it and was in tears. So what a great memory to be able to have. Love, love, love these photo fobs. All right, here's another Insider exclusive. This is the multi-pouch zip case. This is really fun. I actually have it in one of our other patterns as well. So I got this one for Gavin for when we travel. Really love the size, so this will be perfect. You can use this in his carry-on or throw it in his regular suitcase. And let's see, let me open it up here. Oh, I think I got the baggie stuck. There we go. It comes with these inserts. So look how fun these are. So he can put in here just various items, small items. I could see him really using it for all his technology. We like to carry our GoPro, and sometimes we'll take our drone with us. Chargers for his laptop. He's got his iPad, so he brings all his stuff, his Switch. So how cool is this? He can always take out the inserts and just use it like this. Love it. So there's still 2 weeks to take advantage and get these Insider exclusives. Of course, you know, if you've been a fan of 31, anytime we change our catalog, that means we update our Insider exclusives as well. I think you're gonna like what's coming. But if you need one of those guys, you want to take advantage of that within the next 2 weeks. All right, and then last but not least, you guys, this is something that I was super excited about, and I was a little scared that when I ordered these, I would find out that they were gonna be retiring, but I'm so excited to share that they are not. So you're getting some inside intel because you really haven't seen what the catalog looks like just yet. So super excited about this. You guys know I love to travel, whether it's domestically or international. So good carry-on bag is essential, and why not have more than 5, right? So this is called the Take Along Weekender. Check it out. So I got one for each of us, and I personalized it with our first initial. So we've got G and M. So fun. Again, it matches that 31, the utility tote that I showed you earlier. This is in that vintage slate. So it does have like that vintagey feel. It's got the leather at bottom. Very, very roomy, you guys. So this is great to take as a carry-on bag. So think, you're going away for the weekend, you just need a few items in here. Boom, this is perfect. So I'm thinking 3-day weekend, or again, if you're taking this on as a carry-on on a plane, this is more than the ideal size because you could throw it right under the seat in front of you. So it does zip. Let me see if I can make this as smooth as possible. Oh, I can. So let me see here. There we go. So it does zip all the way shut, maybe if I'm not special. I feel like I'm twisting it more than it needs to be twisted. I don't know what I've done here. All right, well anyways, it does zip all the way up. And let's see, I bet you the strap is in here as well to strap it from here. So what do you think, you guys? That's quite a great haul, right? So I actually got all of this using insider benefits for one of the parties that I was closing last month. So lots of really great items. So I'll be sure to tell you also how much I spent and how much I got as benefits. So lots of credit that I use for this, some half offs, and of course the insider exclusives that you can only get if you host a party. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And of course, I'm gonna have lots of fun news to share in the coming weeks, but don't forget, you wanna join that mega party that I'll be hosting on Facebook with my 2 friends. There will be an invite in the description, and of course, we'll have some fun prizes for you. All right, so with that, that is all I have for you today, but you know the drill. Make sure you comment, like this video, and hit the subscribe button so you can get notified anytime I post something new. So with that, I wish you well, have a great weekend, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.